In today's video, we are going to show you how to connect your Vantage account to TradingView. By trading these two platforms, you'll be able to analyze charts on TradingView and execute trades directly through your Vantage Market account, giving you a powerful and seamless trading experience. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to make sure you already have an active account with Vantage Market and a registered account on TradingView, because having both accounts ready will make this process smooth and quick. Now, the first thing that you need to do is go to the TradingView section. On the top corner, click on the products and click the super charts. This will forward you to a new page. Now, once you are inside the trading dashboard, go to the top right corner where you can see the trade option. On the brokers panel, there is a search bar here to find your broker, or if you want, click the show all brokers and look for Vantage Market or Vantage. If you can't find it, just use the search bar, type in Vantage, and there you have it. All I have to do is click on it and follow the on-screen instructions. What will happen is, once successful, you will be forwarded to the Vantage platform itself. And basically, that's it for today's video on how to connect Vantage Market to TradingView. Thank you so much for watching, and we will see you again in the next one.